Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to set up work mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our work mode options, we have to go to settings. Here in modes and routines, we have by default a few modes and work is one of them. So let's start. What do we have here? When our mode will be active. At a place we can choose. Of course, for this we have to have our navigation turned on. Time period, it's fairly self-explanatory. Then next, whatever else. At work, don't disturb. Let's say it will be on. What calls and messages will be able to bypass our work mode. Also, what applications will be active during our work mode. Next, whatever we have here, choose settings, open up, power saving, sounds and volume. Let's say a little bit of sound won't hurt. And done. And now our work mode is activated. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.